All right, this one's similar to the previous one, so I'm not going to go into all the details. It's an arithmetic sequence. How do I know that? Well, the A is 1. In an arithmetic sequence, the A is 1. And if A is 1, the general analytic solution formula that you have, that's all other cases, it doesn't work for A equals 1. And A equals 1, you have a different formula. The idea of arithmetic sequence is that you add or subtract. To a mathematician, adding and subtracting are really the same thing. So I'm subtracting, in this case, 89. I do the same thing as before. My table is here. I start out with 0 and 500 because I'm given that information. And I drop it by 89. And I drop it again every time by 89. The previous one gets dropped by 89 to get the next one. And they wanted the first 5 terms. Here's the first 5 terms. You might confuse 5 and 4, but I have 5 terms because 0 counts as 1 term. So that's what goes there in this kind of format. You 500, 411, 322, 223, and 144. What's the general solution? Well, I wrote the d and the n the other way this time, so it looks the same. But it's p0 plus d times n. D in this case is minus 89. P0 is 500. You chug it in. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to see that, because you can actually say, well, I know how to get from the 0th one to the 4th one because I have to subtract 89 4 times. So it's kind of obvious from the table that's what you're doing.